Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of February 5th, 2021. Here are some upcoming events. Next week will be Spirit Week at the elementary school to encourage student attendance. School attendance matters in the building or online all day. Spirit Week makes it extra fun to come to school. Here's the schedule for Spirit Week. Monday, February 8th is Crazy Sock Day. Tuesday is Dress as Twins or Triplets Day. Wednesday's Wear a Crazy Mask Day. Thursday is No Uniform Day. And Friday, please wear Valentine's Day colors. Flyers to purchase beautiful wood roses are being sent home. They look amazingly real and they will last forever. If you would like to purchase one for family or friends, they cost $1 each and they will be distributed next Friday. The deadline for free and reduced lunch forms for next year is fast approaching. Forms for next year are due on February 12th. Make sure you apply for your student. On February 24th, we will celebrate Pink Shirt Day. Students are encouraged to wear a pink shirt to bring awareness against bullying. PBMA Pink Kindness t-shirts and Blue Shark or Anchor shirts can be purchased from our website. The pink shirts can be worn every Wednesday and the Blue Shark or Anchor shirts can be worn every single Friday. Our elementary teacher of the month is Miss Robinson. Ms. Robinson is a paraprofessional and our aftercare director. She goes above and beyond for her students. Ms. Robinson has greatly enhanced our aftercare program with various activities and programs. Our secondary teacher of the month is Ms. Lawson. Ms. Lawson is a team player willing to assist her colleagues. More importantly, she goes over and beyond to do wellness checks on her students, making sure they are taken care of in mind and in body. February is Black History Month. Here's Ms. Powell with This Week in Black History.
Hello, my name is Ethan DeBorg, 7th grader from Miss Williams' leadership class, and I'm reporting from the secondary campus. This week in Black History, on February 1st, John Rock became the first Black attorney to argue a case before the Supreme Court of the United States. In 1865, in Dr. Carter G. Woodson launched the first Negro History Week in 1926, which we know as Black History Month today. The demonstration in Selma, Alabama in 1965 ends in 700 arrests on February 1st. On February 2nd, 1990, apartheid in South Africa ends. On February 3rd, Percival Perthes becomes the first African-American press correspondent in Congress. On February 4th, 2007, Tony Dungy became the first African-American head coach to win the Super Bowl. On February 5th, 1972, Bob Douglas became the first African-American elected to the Basketball Hall of Fame. On February 6th, Monrovia, Liberia, established in 1820 by the first freed slaves. Thank you for listening.
Last week was School Choice Week. Our students drew pictures about why they love PBMA. Here are the pictures. The elementary bulletin board contest was won by Miss Segretto's class, and the door decorating contest was won by Miss Kiernan's class. Here are the elementary Sharks of the Month. And finally, here are the secondary shocks of the week. Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook to stay informed of important information. I'm Mrs. Cooper and Mrs. Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.